So this is going to be homework number 1 for the third 6 weeks, or fourth 6 weeks actually. We just got done with the third 6 weeks, so this is going to be the first homework on the new 6 weeks. I'm kind of doing a little bit different today. I don't have access to a classroom, so I'm just going to kind of do the work on here on the screen. So you'll see it kind of pop up here in a little bit. All right. So number 1 says if the radius of a circle is 6 3/8, what is the area of this circle? So remember, for the area of a circle, we got to use the formula A equals pi. There we go. Times the radius squared. And we already have our radius, okay? In blue, I'm going to underline that. And it tells me the radius of the circle is 6 3/8. So you're going to have to change 6 3/8 to a decimal, which will make it easier for you. And then just plug that into your formula, and you'll get your answer. Okay, so that's number 1. Alright, if you need to use the calculator, come in the morning, use the calculator. We'll be there. Okay, number 2. Alright, number 2 says to draw a proportional relationship on the graph below or on your own paper. So on the graph that we have, okay, a proportional relationship. So it's going to be a line, alright? Your line is either going to be, let me kind of get that for you. Alright, so the line's going to go proportional, right? So it's going to look like this, okay, or it could look like this, but it can, it's obviously going to go through, but either one of those options is what yours is going to look like on your paper. Okay. All right, that was number 2. Easy, just draw a line on the graph. Has to be proportional though. Okay, number 3 says to write an equation in slope-intercept form that represents the table below. So remember, what you have to do is you have to find your change in y. Okay, so change in y, find out what these changes are, the difference, and then the change in x. Okay, like so. And remember, y equals mx plus b, so that's going to be y equals mx plus b. So the equation is going to be like so. Alright, so find your slope and then find your y-intercept. So remember, to find the y-intercept, we're going to have to go backwards from that 1 where x is 0. Okay. Alright, that was number 3. Okay, number 4. Write an algebraic representation of a reflection across the y-axis. So what I did is I gave you some answer choices. Okay, so there's A, B, C, or D. Okay, number 5. Write an algebraic representation of a reflection across the x-axis. I gave you some answer choices. So A, B, C, or D. Okay, number 6. Write an algebraic representation of the dilation shown below. So as a dilation is obviously getting smaller, so it's going to be multiplying by a number that's less than 1. So your algebraic representation, okay, your answer is going to be x comma y. Be changing to something times x and then something times y. So you got to find out what that scale factor is that it's multiplying by. Okay, number 7. Write an algebraic representation of a rotation 180 degrees clockwise. Points below are given as an example. Assume that 2, 3 is the old coordinate and -2, -3 is the new coordinate. So let's go ahead and label that. We can label this. So this is, we'll just label that A, and we'll label this A prime. Like so. Alright, so your answer choices, this is what we did today, talking about rotations. So I would get that note worksheet that we took today with the patty paper, okay? And you're gonna find your answer. So answer choice A, let's say x comma y changes to negative y comma x. Answer choice B, we'll say x comma y changes to, we'll say negative x, or opposite of x, opposite of y. Answer choice C, x comma y changes to, put in 3x comma 3y. And then answer choice D, x comma y changes to y comma the opposite of x. So there's your answer choices. You might make it easier for you. And pick which one you want and write the answer in. Whoops, I didn't put in parentheses after that one. There we go. All right. Okay, number 8. Write an algebraic representation of the translation shown below. Okay, so I'm not going to give any answer choices on this, but you need to find out from point F. So I'm just using point F. You could use a different one, doesn't matter. But point F right there, it goes from this lower shape, so it goes from here and then goes up that way. Okay, it goes up and then it goes over. So you have to find out, what does it go up and what does it go over? So your answer, x comma y changes to, you got to find out x plus or minus a number and then y plus or minus a number. That's what we're doing. Okay, number 9. Solve for s in the image below. Okay, solve for s in the image below. I think you can find this. We're going to set this up as a proportion. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We can set it up just like that there. So we can say 3 over 4 equals 9 over s. Let me type that in so it looks a lot better. There we go. There's our proportion. And then just solve for s. Easy. Okay, lastly we got solve for x in the equation below. So we have 3 times x minus 2 equals 21. So we have to distribute what's in those parentheses first. Okay, 3 times x, get a pen, 3 times x, and then also 3 times negative 2 or minus 2. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, and then that equals, so we're solving for x. Alright, well, hopefully this helps you on some of these homework. Some of the questions for you. If you have a question, okay, make sure we get those grades in. It's the last day to get this stuff turned in. So, alright, bye.